Hello friends, welcome to my channel Home Enrich Panilu, and this is Nilima. A very happy Diwali to all my friends. Today I'm presenting a very beautiful DIY of making floating candles. These are very good craft to make at home, very presentable for the Diwali because they are eco-friendly to most of the extent because they are not using any kind of wax, so the fumes are not going to be produced. At the same time, we are going to use the glassware that is at home, so the only things we are using is almost we have at least pebbles or crystals or beads at home that is available with us, so we can make use of them. Even we can use the plastic flowers or even the natural flowers in making these floating candles. Here I am showing the floating candles that I made in a wine glass, where I am using resin crystals, and the wick is made up of cotton that we usually use in the puja house at our home. And here in the second one I am using pebbles. These are also very easily available in the market, so you can make use of them. And have a glass of water in it, and make sure that you have the quantity of the water to the level of the oil in 3:1 ratio. That means if you are adding 3 parts of water, you have to add only 1 part of oil to make a floating candle. And to support the floating candle wick, we are going to use the plastic sheet. And the plastic sheet, make sure the plastic sheet that you are using is transparent as well as it is thick, so that it will don't get burned out so easily, and it will give a very good support to the cotton wool. So here I am using the beads. These are also available at every household. And the vegetable oil I'm not using any kind of other oil. At the same time, if you want to add some other effect to it, you can add scented items, scents or incense into it, so that it will give a fragrance to the candles as well. So here the wick is being attached, so it will give a very good support to the wick. And if you want to give the further better support to the wick, make sure you have a sellotape attached to the wick at the back side. So I'm now decorating it with flowers, artificial flowers. You can even use the flowers, natural flowers, for the purpose of the Diwali, because Diwali is an occasion of celebrations. Here I'm using a necklace to just highlight the floating candles. Now here we are ready with the floating candles. So they are at a very low price of around not even 20 rupees. If everything is available at your home, then you can make it simply within 10 rupees. So it is an eco-friendly and the very best way of presenting your home very nicely on an occasion of Diwali. So happy Diwali friends, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video.